In a serene pond, nestled amidst lush greenery, lived a humble tilapia named Tilly. Known for her radiant scales that shimmered under the sun, Tilly was a beloved sight among the villagers. One day, a great storm swept through the valley, causing the pond to overflow. Tilly, swift and agile, managed to swim to higher ground, but many of her fellow fish were swept away. The villagers, witnessing the devastation, were saddened. They approached Tilly, seeking advice on how to prevent such a tragedy from happening again. Tilly, being the wisest among them, remained silent for a moment, contemplating. "I have an idea," Tilly said, swimming closer to the villagers. "We must build a barrier, a dam, to control the flow of water. This way, we can maintain a balanced environment for all creatures in the pond." The villagers, inspired by Tilly's wisdom, worked tirelessly to construct the dam, completing it in no time. As the rainy season approached, the dam held strong, protecting the pond and its inhabitants from another devastating storm. The villagers rejoiced, thanking Tilly for her wisdom. From that day forward, Tilly was not just a beautiful fish, but a symbol of wisdom and resilience. The story of Tilly serves as a reminder that even the smallest creatures can possess great wisdom. It teaches us the importance of working together and using our intellect to solve problems, ensuring a harmonious and balanced environment for all. In the grand tapestry of life, every creature, no matter how insignificant they may seem, has a role to play. Let us remember to appreciate and learn from each other, for wisdom can be found in the most unexpected places.